Hey, do you really finally want to learn a foreign language? Maybe you are thinking, as the majority of people, that you already tried a couple times but have not succeeded because you think you have no talent for languages. There is no such a thing like a lack of talent for languages. You have learned your mother tongue, and there's the strongest proof that you are talented. There is only one reason that will determine if you will succeed or if you will fail in learning a new language. Let me show you. It has to be immediate. You have to see results within 1 week. It has to be personal and be able to use the language in everyday aspect of your life. And it has to be visible results, getting practical knowledge. If the answer is yes, it will boost your inner motivation and you will persevere in a long-term learning process. If the answer is no, it will really kill your inner motivation and you're on the way to give up. People often rely on expensive language courses that make you spend time, money, and energy and force you to study boring stuff. And it's a very slow process that is not useful to your everyday life. Language courses don't really speed results for the students. They offer slow programs without fast and visible results. People tend to rely on others to learn a language, but the truth is that it starts with you and with your right attitude in long-term commitment. So there is no language courses, textbooks, teachers or apps that explain you the most important part, which is how to stay motivated in a long-term commitment. So the only techniques to keep yourself motivated is to see the meaning, to see that you can actually use the language on everyday life and see fast and visible results. Years ago, I discovered one technique that a friend of mine presented to me that completely changed my way of learning a new language. This friend speaks 3 different languages and he invented this method, this technique that is very natural, like a child when he's learning his mother tongue. This method is so revolutionary because I saw quick, fast results and after barely 1 week, I was able to already use the language. You know that when you see results in anything, it uplifts you, it makes you excited and it makes you keep going and you don't lose your motivation. And I'm so happy to be able to share this technique with you, to make you happy to see fast progress and fast results in learning a new language. You can click on the link down below for more information or simply go to www.FinallyLearn.online.